Hey guys, I'm doing the cam position sensor, or the CMP, on this 99 V70R. I was having some no start issues, and while I was doing the crank position sensor, you might as well do the cam position sensor, which is the crank is over there, so the cam is over here. So you have to take out these bracket, and that was sort of seized. This was a little seized, so use some anti-seize on this stuff. There's a lot of rust here, and this was seized up too. So just take these two bolts out and pull that cam cover off, and then the sensor's right on the bottom, and it's easier to access that way. Clean it up with some brake clean, let it dry, and then put it back and put a little anti-seize. And I used Loctite Heavy Duty because it's on the engine block and it'll take the heat. And then also this little pin over here was also seizing up the bracket when it took me 10 minutes to pull out. So put a little anti-seize on that. That should make the job easier next time you have to do it. And it is actually the bottom connector over there. The top connector is the crank position sensor. The bottom one is the cam. And that's about it, and that's for a 99 V70R, which would work for any 99 V70. Thanks.